In this video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp business username. First of all, open WhatsApp business. Then in the top right corner, you will see 3 dotted lines. Click on it. Then go to settings. Here you will find account. Click on it. Then right below business platform, you will see username. Click on it. Then tap on reserve username. Then type out the username that you want. Then click on next. You can connect it with your Instagram. Then click on get started. Once it's connected to your Instagram and your username is available, click on reserve. Then that's it. That's how you can create and reserve your username in WhatsApp business. Click on done. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.